When Get proposed us to use the RPM dash system, we was incredibly happy and we was really interested to try it on the racetrack. It's incredible because every rider can buy this RPM dash system and they can put straight on the training bike without any issues. It's really easy to use. Yeah, you don't need to make any modify on electronics parts.
This device, it's amazing, it helps me a lot in the starts. You just gotta press the mode button for 6 seconds and set the desired RPM level to reach before the gate drops. After that, you just gotta watch the device, open the throttle, and once the LEDs are fully on, you can release the clutch and get the whole shot.
RPM Dash has been really helpful to improve my confidence with the bike during the pre-season and tests. Watching it from a while allows me to check the engine revs in real time and when it's time to shift up the gear.
For our team, it's always really important to have such a great company as Athena to work together. They develop a lot of the great technologies, and least but not last, the RPM Dash is a big help for us on track and also for our technician to make it easier. And so I really enjoy this, and I hope we can continue to work together.